It's Munn's panel wash here again with another project. We are here in Valley Stream, Long Island, getting ready to conduct a bird proofing job. We have 3 arrays this morning. We have one here, biggest one, and then we have 3 over here, and on the other side we have 2. Right, so we have a big project today. So we're gonna try to get rid of a squirrel nest. Actually, the babies are born and they are up and running, so they're not babies anymore. They're like out and about, and they're actually underneath the panels, and it's a little difficult to get to, but they're hanging out. There are tons of leaves, twigs, and debris under here that the mother made. Right, and we came and did an inspection the other day, and there wasn't not this much branches here. Now it's full of pine branches. Matter of fact, better look is here. This entire 2 panels right here is filled with this, and I'm not sure if you can see the tail, but that's one of the squirrels right there. Right there, that's a squirrel tail. He's hanging out. They don't want to get out. They were just on the ground when they saw us coming up. They ran back up here for safety, so they're trying to secure themselves. So we're gonna have to remove this panel to get out all of this stuff. Usually we power wash out this stuff, but these panels are very low to the ground. They're like about 4.5 inches off the from the roof to the array. Let me just zoom out so you can see how low they are. Right, so this makes it a little difficult to kind of get under there. So we're gonna have to remove those nests, take off maybe 2 of these panels right here so we can get under there, and yeah, let's get to it. So we'll show you our progress as we go through, and we'll see what we gotta do. Alright, so we'll catch you in a few. Thanks. Later. Alright folks, we're back. As you can see, we have a major squirrel nest up here. We're about to find out if the roof is compromised, because usually when they do this, they usually try to dig a hole into the attic. We were here like a couple of days ago for an inspection, and these green twigs that you see here are evergreen. Wasn't here before. Like, they rebuilt the nest. Some of it was removed, but they came back and rebuilt the whole thing again. It didn't take them that long, because we were here last week, literally a week ago. So as you can see, they have eaten out a section of the roof. Oh wow. So they did eat out a section of the roof. So we're gonna have to put back, we're gonna have to fix this. Okay, it's a small hole, so we're gonna patch that for the client, and then obviously put back some roof material on there. It's not common that we do this, but for this job we're gonna have to. Alright. It's not a major roof work, we just need to patch this section so that the water cannot get into the attic. So there is a hole. So we're gonna have to remove a couple shingles and add. We have a waterproof membrane and roofing material that we bought. We anticipated this, so we're gonna patch that for the client, and we will be showing you our progress as we go through the day. All right. So Munn's panel wash is here in Valley Stream, doing a birdproofing job on solar panel cleaning. However, there's a big squirrel nest that we had to remove, and we're in the process of doing that right now. And we're gonna clean this out for the client and make sure that if the hole is patched and everything. All right. So we will let you know as we go along what the process is. This whole bag just came out from under there, and if I'm not mistaken, the baby squirrels are still there. I say baby, but they're actually running around, so they can get off of here. They don't need to be up here, but they want to be hanging around. Start the machine pump. You go out there if you want to. So our worst fears have been realized. They started eating through the roof. Alright, they ate out all of the roof material all the way down to the membrane and was getting ready to go through the wood. Okay, which is common. They always do this. So now we're gonna have to patch this up for you so that no water comes inside. This is where the water is coming into the house. See that? Under here. Because now there's no roof material here to stop the water from coming through. It's coming through the plywood, seeping it. Right? So I checked this section. I'm gonna have to check that section over there. It looks like there's nothing going on over there, but I see debris, so I'm gonna just double check since we're here to be 100%. Okay. But right here is where it's at.